A brand new week full of wonder and full of potential to get some winning trades. No trades open at the moment, so let's see if we can find some. Pushing higher still on the dollar yen here, incredibly weak for the yen. We do have the money flow index in the overbought territory now, but not seeing a reversal candle yet, and price still comfortably in the standard deviation channel. That is a wide channel because of the steady increase on price. In the last 2.5 weeks, we only had this one red day here, and that was a small one. Got to be a reversal sooner or later. The euro is starting a bit of a downturn as well now. Even against the Japanese yen, it's pulled up shy of the all-time highs at the moment. You can see this slowing momentum. Not quite a reversal candle, and the MFI not quite in the overbought territory either. 75.30 is the number. Volatile day on the pound, to be fair. You can see it pushed down heavily against the Swiss franc here, but it's come up all the way back, so we do get a reversal candle. But we're getting nout from the MFI and nout from the standard deviation channel. Sad times. CAD has pushed on against the yen as well. Really good thing we had stop losses in place for these trades. Shows how even if we do get another reversal signal on any of these Japanese yen charts, could just be a fool's errand as price might just keep on going and going. We are desperate for a trade, but we got to take the proper signals as per the strategy, and as of tonight there are none of those. So we will sit here and wait 24 hours until we get another shot. Day 32, and we are desperate to get in a trade here. Would absolutely love to find one on the chart. We are not going to get anywhere by not getting into trades. So let's check the charts. Wow, the yen continuing to get crushed here. What a push today. Biggest push we've seen over the last few weeks. Same for the New Zealand dollar. Strong day against the US dollar. More than a 1% push. And no surprise, it's no different for the Australian dollar. That's seen about another percentage or so today. There you see it. What a push. That's even with the US dollar raising their interest rates, as well as Jerome Powell saying potentially there's going to be a faster rate increase. People not feeling it, much preferring the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. All they know is that they don't like the yen. And we're seeing an Australian dollar push on all these charts. Here it is against the Swiss franc. From the depths down here at the end of January, that is now at plus 11.88%. Holy moly. Gotta be a return sooner or later. The euro takes a big drop off against the pound. Not a reversal candle. We are still getting nowhere near a signal. Very disappointed that we are getting no new signals again. We've got to get one sooner or later. But with some of these major trending moves today, no surprise that we're not seeing any reversal candles. We do actually see one here on the euro US dollar, to be fair. Bullish reversal candle. But you can see the MFI straight down the middle. We don't really need to put up the standard deviation channel, but let's do it anyway. There you go, 20 periods. You can see it's comfortably inside, so no signal on this one. No signal anywhere. Where's our reversals at? Let's try and find them tomorrow. Day number 33. Give us a signal. Just looking at the US dollar, Japanese yen. It's overbought on the MFI. Nothing in terms of the standard deviation. Thought this was going to look like a reversal candle, but we've got a low in price at 120.59 and a high in price at 121.41. So conveniently, that works out as 121 being the exact midpoint of today's candle. So whilst the open is at 120.77, so that is below 121 in the bottom half, that will count as a bearish reversal. The close in price is actually 121.11 at the moment. So because that is above 121, it doesn't technically qualify as a reversal candle. So unfortunately, we have got to move on. That is so close, only 11 pips off. Almost a reversal candle as well on the euro Swiss franc. On this one, the open and the close are in the bottom half of today's candle, so all fine on that front. But the high in price today is not as high as it was 2 days ago. We need the highs of the previous 2 days candle to be beneath today's high, which unfortunately Monday's candle was not. Spinning top candle on the Great British Pound Japanese yen rather than a reversal candle. This could be the signal the yen is going to strengthen a little bit on a retracement maybe, but we certainly won't be on it for this pair. It did get priced outside of the standard deviation channel here, but the MFI, that is not overbought, only at 76.97. Nothing on the CAD yen either. In fact, it has gone up. Looked like it was going to head downwards, but has since pushed up and up. Here we go though. This is a signal at last. New Zealand dollar Swiss franc pair. Nothing on the standard deviation chart, so we can get rid of that. But you can see the reversal candle. You can see the MFI overbought just above 88 at the minute. If I switch on the trade history, we did have a trade already on this pair. We did end up losing more money than we gained because we took 1% on the loss and only made 0.5% on the gain. Lucky to take it by the look of it because it really did crack on. That was the last opportunity to take profit where we did. But maybe now this is the true reversal. Let's get into this trade. Got to check the average true range indicator, and that is giving us a value of 63.2 pips. So as per usual, you do see the risk calculated on screen there for both these trades. Let's go 0.26 standard lots with selling off the market. And half that amount for our 1 to 2 trade. Here we go. Into the sell trades we go. At least now we're in a trade. It means we might get a winner. Has been overbought for quite some time, so good to see a reversal candle. I'm feeling lucky, punk. See how we're doing tomorrow. Day number 34. Our New Zealand dollar Swiss franc trade has gone a touch to the good. Down it comes a little bit. That is what we're after. Not enough to get anywhere near the take profit levels, but still better to be up than down. Close to $30 up between the two trades. See if we can find any more. Dollar continues to push against the incredibly weak Japanese yen, another percentage up today, but nothing from the standard deviation channel, no reversal candle, so no signal. Nothing of too much interest out on the charts tonight, so we'll stick it out with the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc trade. Let's see some more red so we can get some more green. Day 35, it is Friday, it is the end of the week. And not too much movement in the end for our New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. It did make a really nice push, went down by about 0.5% or so, almost got to the first take profit level, but sad news, it did retrace since then, back up pretty much to the entry price, just a bit past there. We are seeing a very small green body of the candle by the end of the session. But we are out of the overbought territory on the money flow index now. Maybe we're going to see that carry on continuing down. Or maybe the last few days are merely a healthy retracement in the continued push of the New Zealand dollar. And let's check those charts. Almost a reversal candle on the Euro US dollar, but the high of today isn't quite higher than 2 days ago. And there ain't nothing from the MFI, but it does continue its rise now at 56.82. Reversal candle on the US dollar Swiss franc, but we are not quite getting price outside of the standard deviation channel. My goodness, that is close, but it does pull up just short on the low. We're already in the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, of course. There might have been correlation issues. Dollar yen looked like it might have started to begin its reversal. Went down 0.82% near enough. US dollar Japanese yen, it looked like it was ready to start its return back down. Almost a 1% lost and then regained. Another pair we're seeing get right back up to the entry price. Aussie dollar, Canadian dollars bringing the reversal candle as well, but nothing from the standard deviation channel, nothing from the MFI. We move on. Same on the Euro, Great British Pound, reversal candle, yes. Standard deviation channel, MFI, no. Same deal for the Euro, Swiss franc, we got a reversal candle, but nothing else. No new signals, so we leave it where we are for the weekend. Super reliant on this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, which suddenly doesn't look so good from the momentum we've seen this afternoon and evening. But never ever say never. Maybe we can get both sub trade A and B with winning trades. Would like to see that at least once during the strategy. That would be quite the treat. We'll be back on Monday. Not much to add from the perspective of the journal. Only one new trade this week, and that is the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, which is yet to be determined which way that's going to go. Fortunately, though, we didn't have any losing trades this week, so no winners, no losers, nothing extra settled. Therefore, that does make it one of our best weeks so far, probably our best week. That does give us something to celebrate at least. We're back after the weekend to keep this one a-going.